This is Boob and Boobus again, here with another cat.
Tigger!
Here's Boobus. And here's the other cat named Tigger.
No! Hey, rah, 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 rah. Tigger.
Oh! Tigger had to go now. He flipped out of the chair.
Doing a backflip.
So, I guess we'll show you a picture. Pretty funny. Ow!
Uh-oh. What happened?
It's all fun and games until someone loses an eye. It's weird, right? That's my friend. That's Boobus. He's an alien.
That's me, his Paul.
And here is Mike Mikowski from Monsters Inc.
OMG. And here's... Let me see it. Okay. And here's a short clip of me making the best shot you'll ever see. Sword. Well, first of all, I'm going to show you all the videos. Sorry, I'll restart that for you.
That was me saying amazing dunk.
That was me dunking it.
So here's
a
our
picture. See, that's a good picture.
Here's one of our next.
Wait, no, wrong way.
Here's our picture.
That's a picture.
Photo. Hey, photos by Boob.
Man.
Now here's another short film. Perfect music, right?
Remember, tell your friends to go on YouTube and search up Boob and Boobus. And to go to our website, boobandboobus.com.
And here is our another short clip.
Shit's first try.
Here's another short clip. Wrong video. Slow-mo.
Yeah. Oh, and here's me making this best shot you'll ever see.
Will be forming a shoot off a wall 25 feet out.
Actually, it's at least 40.
Yes.
I was just making an estimate.
He shall try again. Oh, swish.
Check the happy dance out.
Oh, and the happy dance. Want some? Come get some.
I'm sorry about me having...
Nerd issues.
Yeah.
But later today, we'll fill you in on more of me.
No, yeah. Here's a song that me and Boobus made about
Pina colada and WWE merchandise.
Boobus is going to do
Trey's
something.
about to make a song about pina colada and WWE merchandise. If you like pina colada, cat car.
Jackson, no! Put that down. No.
WWE merchandise.
Take those out.
Go to K merch today.
Here, put this in.
Insane.
Busy mustache.
Here's just his video that I'm not sure Jackson just took it in the car.
Busy mustache.
Hey, we are my dog people. Where it goes?
Yeah, I'm taking that one off. There's me, Boobus, and Boob's mom took. That's hers, Paul.
Okay, have Trey help you, honey.
That's Jackson.
Okay.
Oh, I'll be right back, Boob. Internet.
Take trash cans to the garbage.
Boobus. You're Boobus, right?
Yep.
Boobus just went. There's Boob.
Trey, you can open the door first.
It's on the door. I did get the door.
Whatever your name
Trey's an idiot because he forgot to shut the door. Ah! And I stepped on his foot. Sorry about that. There's me, Boob, as Paul. And there's me, Boob, as Paul again. And here's a good video. Okay, here's another video of this morning.
Pickles. I did an amazing dunk. Just gonna do it again, but this time